Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and we are going to study the tale of Custard the Dragon. This is the second part of that video. In the first part, we discussed that the name of that pet, and after that color of that pet and how they brag themselves. So we all the things in the first part learn, and after that in the second part, what we are going to study that suddenly they heard a nasty means unpleasant sound. Suddenly, after the bragging, the ghost himself, and after that, suddenly, what happened with them? They heard an unpleasant sound, and Mustard growled. Growled means snarled. What he growled, and they all looked around, and they started to watching that where the unpleasant sound came from. Meouch, cried Ink. Ink means the cat. And oh, cried Belinda. Belinda was also afraid of that where the unpleasant sound came from. For there was a pirate, and this is the entry of that pirate in that ballad. Pirate and climbing in the window. Window means window. Window means window. And what was the pirate doing there? He was just climbing on the window. Means he wanted to reach in the house through window, and his intention was not good. In the next stanza, what he carried? Pistol in his left hand and pistol in his right. Both hand he has a pistol, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. Cutlass means a little sword. Means he in his teeth he also has a small sword, and this is called a cutlass. His beard was black. It seems that the pirate was young because there is written that his beard was black. One leg was wood, means he was lame. The another leg was made of wood. It was clear that the pirate means intention. What was the intention of the pirate? The intention of the pirate was not good. And the next ninth stanza, Belinda pale. Pale means dim. Her bright face became dull. She was afraid of that pirate. So this is the main reason why her face was become dull, and she cried help, help. And what she started doing, as soon as she saw that pirate, she became afraid of that pirate, and she started crying, somebody help me, somebody help me. But Mustard fled with terrified Elf. Elf means cry. His first pet, Mustard, he just ran away. Fled means flee. This is the second form of that flee. Flee means ran away. With terrified, with some fierce cry, he just left away the place suddenly. And after that, Ink, the cat, trickled means reached. Where she reached, the cat reached down the bottom of the household, on the basin, in the underground on that house. She did not help. Instead of helping Belinda, the cat also just ran away or reached down the bottom of the house. And third number, the little mouse blinked strategically mouse hole. Means with a planning where he just ran away in his house. This is called mouse hole. When she was in a trouble, when she was in a danger, her three pet whom she knew that they helped her. She also knew that they are very brave, but when she was really in help, when she really need a help, so that time they ran away from that place. And after that, each and everyone understood that the dragon was a coward, but when she was really in a need, Belinda, when she was really in a need, so that time he just reached. But up jumped Custard. Custard, he became brave. He did not run away from the place. He just faced the problem. But up jumped Custard and snorting. Snorting means he started to produce some unpleasant noise from his mouth like an engine. As engine produces the unpleasant sound, in the same way the dragon is snorting. He's in anger. He started to produce some unpleasant sound from his nose. Clashed his tail like irons in a dungeon, with a clatter and clank and jangling squeals twisted. And after that, he started to twist his tail. He started to move his tail in anger, and the sound of that tail was a clatter, clank, and jangling. It seems that somebody has hit on the iron rod of that dungeon. In the same way, the dragon started to produce some sound from his tail in anger. He went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. Robin, it is a type of bird. In the same, he pounced. He pounced, suddenly reached on that pirate. In the same way, when the robin bird pounced on his prey, a worm. In the same way, he also pounced on that worm. The pirate gave. Gave means he was astonished with open mouth. He was astonished at Blinda's dragon because he had never ever seen a dragon in his life. That's why he was astonished. And gulped some grog. Grog means wine. And he just swallowed because he was nervous. Because he has never ever seen dragon in his life. That's why he was nervous. And he swallowed some wine from his pocket flagon. Flagon is a small pot. The pirate was carried a wine. He started to just swallow the wine because he was very nervous. He fired 2 bullets. It seemed that the pirate was very brave because when he was nervous, and after that he just fired 2 bullets on dragon. But the dragon was solid enough that the bullet did not touch the body of that dragon, but they did not hit the dragon. And Custard gobbled. Gobbled means swallowed him every bit means completely. And in the last, the dragon completely swallowed the dragon. Belinda embraced him. Embrace means hug. She embraced him. Embrace means the dragon. Mustard licked. Mustard, in a happy, he started to licking the dragon's body. No one mourned, no one cried on the pirate victim. Nobody has paid sympathy on the pirate. Ink and blink in glee. Glee means in happiness. They decided. They started to making a round in a circle around the dragon. They are also become very happy. That's why they started to make a round in that circle of that dragon that ate the pirate. Who just recently ate that pirate. And in the third stanza, what the three means dog, cat and mouse. They again started to bragging themselves. Why the Belinda did not just boast herself? Because she knew that. She knew her power, her energy. That's why in the third stanza, she did not boast herself. Only 3, the dog, the dog and the cat and the mouse. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. And after that, as soon as they enjoyed, as soon as they after completing the celebration, suddenly the dog Mustard, he speak up. What he said that I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered means nervous. Flustered means nervous. Means what he said that if I had not been nervous when we suddenly saw the pirate. So if he had not been nervous that time. He has twice brave. He was twice as brave as the dragon. And after that, what Ink and Blink said that, and up spoke Ink and up spoke Blink. The both what they said that they would have been 3 times as brave with Ink. What they said that if we also did not become nervous when we saw that the pirate, so that time the both also were as they were 3 times as brave as the dragon. And Custard said, I quite agree. And the Custard was also, means he again did not boost himself. He just agreed that you are right, my dear. I quite agree, and that everybody is braver than me. And he accept that everybody except me is braver. He again did not boost her bravery because he had saved the life of Belinda. And after that he did not, and he also, the good thing was that he also did not make a fun of the 3. The earlier 3, the Mustard, Ink and Blink, they make a lot of fun on that Custard. But in the last, when he just showed his courage before that pirate, he also did not he did not boost himself. So, and the 14, this is the 13th stanza, 14 and 15 was the same as the first and second. So 14 and 14 you just read yourself, and this is the end of that poem. And thank you for watching this video, and in the next after that we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.